Hey, good morning, everyone. So, as I mentioned yesterday, or right in the previous sessions, we have multiple scanners indicators which will help us to identify where we have the good opportunities, right? For example, this one is looking at this FS1 is like the future scanner, looking at all the major future tickers like crude oil, ES, GC, copper, heating oil, MBT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, natural gas, NKD, NQ, all these different tickers. And whenever we see something in black, generally that indicates that is good for a short opportunity. And whenever something is in shown in blue, that indicates it is at a good long opportunity. Right here, I have futures, the most important futures. This is like the second set of futures, which are not that much volatile or that much liquid. They will have less volume compared to these tickers. Right, for example, if you see here like 6A1, 6B1, 6E1, 6E1, and also EMD, GF, HE, ZF, these tickers which have low volume compared to the ESNQ, crude oil, all those ones. And then the third one is where we can have all different stocks, futures, sorry, forex currencies. So all the major forex currencies. And once you, for example, here you got Euro GBP, is in black. That means Euro GBP can go down. Here it is saying Bitcoin and RTY can go down. So like this is our first step, right? Once you have a scanner, the scanner will give you the tickers which are good for short or good for long. So in another tab, I added five different scanners like tech, like RC Tech, where I have all tech stocks like Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Meta, Netflix, CRM, Crowd, Workday, Dell, Oracle, ELTR, PanW, such type of stocks. So, for example, it is telling Amazon is at a good point to go long. Dell is at a good point to go long. Uber is at a good point to go long. IBM is good for short. Snow is good for short. In the same way, I have all crypto tickers here, all financial tickers like Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, AFRM, Sophie, Wells Fargo, Citibank, PayPal, American Express, all these ones. Then I have all chip stocks here, right? AMD, QCOM, Micron, AVGO, AMAT, ESM, ASML. I have all earnings, right? Generally, there will be a big moment before earnings, or if earnings completed yesterday, we'll also have good earnings. So I have different tickers like UNH. We had good earnings yesterday, so it may go more up. UAL, we have earnings after hours. So like that, this is like a earnings one. So if any of these come to a good zone for buying or selling, our indicators will tell you that is a good point. For example, we have DPZ is good for long now. BX BlackRock is good for long. EFX is good for short. Like that, I added few more indicators here. In the same way, right? ETFs, some major ETFs like SOXL, TQQ, SMH, SPY, UPRO, UNG, USO, XLF, XLE. Like that, I added one scanner. Then all the China stocks like KWeb, Baidu, Baba, PDD, JD, Neo. I added one scanner. This is like retail, all the Walmart, Target, CVS, Costco, all the retail. Same in the same way like oil stocks, Schlumberger, BP, VLO, CVX. Then I have all health sector like Moderna, Pfizer, Novax, Johnson and Johnson, Guild, BNTX, MRK, VRTX. All these are like healthcare related stocks. These are like all travel, right? United Airlines, Delta Airlines, JetBlue, American Airlines, Southwest, Alaska. all the right Spirit, CCL, Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Norwegian. Like that, we can add different based on different domains. We can add different indicators or different scanners. Once we do that, then basically they will give you, right? For example, it is telling JetBlue is good for a short, Norwegian is good for a short, Booking.com is good for a long. So we'll get different opportunities. Costco is good for a short, Louis is good for a long. So whenever we get those opportunities, what we can do is, for example, let us start with this one, right? For example, it is telling uh, RTY is good for a short. Let us go here and just put the ticker. So if you see, so it gave that indication that RTY is good for a short sometime back. So already RTY came all the way, right? This is the resistance. RTY came all the way down already. So, but yeah, if we'd have taken that before some 10-15 minutes, we'd have made huge profits. Then the next one is like MBT. Let us look for MBT if it is still good for that. You don't have a very huge, right? Already it went to this resistance drop, started coming up, and also there is not a huge sell order block. If we have some thousands or of contracts, then we can understand that okay, it is a good one to short. But because it's overall Bitcoin is bullish, there was a small pullback and it is trying to go up. So let us avoid taking a short. So that is what, yeah, these ones generally we have very low volume. 11, 11, 182.7. Okay, let us look at lean hogs. So 11 went all the way to the resistance, dropped, and again trying to bounce back again. So if it goes around somewhere here, we need to see a red candle. Once we get a sell signal, if you see a red candle and you see that it is dropping, then we can enter short. As of now, it is still green candles. It went all the way up, some drop, but again it may bounce back, do a retest of the resistance, and then drop. So we can enter a short at that point of time. So like that. Okay, now let's go to this one: Amazon, Dell, Uber. Let's go and check Amazon. Okay, Amazon, there is a huge buy order block. Right, you can see there is nearly 480K buy order block. So if we get a green candle now, then we can either buy calls, we can sell puts. So there is a high possibility for Amazon to bounce back. So here you had nearly 6.22, dropped all the way. Now our indicator gave a signal that it is looking good for a buy. While Amazon, right, minimum we want 1 minute. in 5 minutes to turn to green. So while that happens, let us look at the next signal, which is Dell and Uber. Right, your scanner gave an indication that Dell also looking good for a long now. Right here, there was a huge sell order, 169,000 sell order. Now it came to a point, right? It touched the support, and it. So again, if you want to hide it, you will know that it dropped all the way from the resistance, touched the support now, and trying to touch the discount area. Now, if we see price going into this area, that confirms us that okay, price is reversing back. Right, based on the price pulse. Right, one is your our scanner is gave the indication. Right, that is our first point. Second thing is your price pulse also has a huge number of buy order blocks, right? Nearly 103,000, 148,000. That means there is a high possibility for Dell to go up. So what we can do is for instead of this Friday, because it is only 2 days, you can do 726 bull put spreads, right? That will give you a low risk opportunity. If it starts moving up, we can close today or tomorrow itself. Otherwise, you have more time for the right. Even if it comes a little bit down and starts bouncing, also you'll make profits. Or if it stays somewhere here, also you'll make profits. So we can buy Dell Dell bull put spreads. Dell July 26th. I want to sell 127 and buy 124. I'm collecting nearly 150 dollars per. So we are taking Dell 127, sold Dell 127 put, and bought 124 put, collected around 145 per contract. Right. So you understood, right? So first thing is your scanner gave an indication that okay, Dell is at a good point to go up. Then we saw that it touched the support, and also there is a huge buy order block. So that gave us a confidence that Dell will go up. But because market is like a little bearish today, instead of taking this Friday, we are taking the next Friday. And even though If market stays little bit choppy today or tomorrow, instead of taking this Friday, we took the next Friday. So we have more time. If stock goes all the way to 129 or 130, that 145 and $50 you collected per contract is completely yours. If you buy 5, 10 contracts, and if stock goes above 130, then you will make nearly the entire money is completely yours, whatever premium you collected. Even if it goes 124 also, there is a huge order block, so it will start bouncing back. And there is a high chance for Dell to go minimum till 129. So that's why we entered this one. Now let's go to the next one. Uber. Touched it, right? It touches the discount area, but again it dropped. As of now, there is, right, we can see here at 69,000, we have a big buy order block. So until that time, right, even though it is at a support, support can still come down. If Uber comes somewhere here, then we can enter Uber calls, or we can do credit spreads, or we can sell the puts if Uber comes to 69.4, that area. As of now, it is still bearish. Right. Let's go to, okay, let's look at IBM's now. Okay, IBM went all the way to the top. Right, there is a huge buy order block. It went all the way. But at resistance, you don't see a major sell order block. For example, if the resistance is somewhere here, we can confidently we can buy the puts. But as of now, it can just go a little bit up or down, and again it can go up. So it is still not a good candidate for buying puts or selling the calls. Right? If it goes here 187.9, that is a good point to get the puts. Okay, IBM, then Snow. Right? You are not just going with one indicator, one scanner. We are also looking at the confluence to make sure. So okay, Snow went all the way to the top, touched the resistance. It is in the premium zone now. Again, you don't have a strong confluence from the price pulse, right? Here you have a big buy order block, but there is no strong sell order block here. So it may come down a little bit and again start going up. So unless you are a quick scalper, you are an experienced trader, you may not be able to make much profits because it may be a small drop. It may not be a big drop because you don't see a proper confluence with a sell order. If you see a big sell order block somewhere here, then we can confidently enter the puts. Right. Okay. Then let us look at PLTR. Again, you have around $29. You have a huge sell order block. As of now, it is close to the resistance, but still it may go a little bit more. So let us skip PLTR for now. And then you have GS, Ali, Booking. It is in the sell order block, but again, you don't have a strong confluence, strong confirmation. to give us a confidence that it can go all the way down. It already came all the way to the bottom, so we can avoid it. Let us look at the DPZ and DX. Domino's Pizza. So I think we have Domino's Pizza earnings tomorrow. Right, it came all the way to the bottom. So now if we see price starts to move up, let's look at if there is any big buy order block here. Right, it came to the support. So if we also get a confidence from price pulse, here we got a big sell order block, big sell order block. Here we have a big buy order block. So in case if price comes somewhere close to this, that is the best opportunity. It will move up. So as of now, still we don't have a proper confluence. So let us wait on DPZ. So now gold came all the way to the bottom, right? Gold is overall bullish. It is going up, right? It touched the support, started going up. So we can enter long on gold. Okay, still I think Apex has issues. But yeah, if you have personal account or if you have, uh, you can enter in your personal accounts. Right, gold came all the way to the bottom and then started moving up. So if we go here, platinum is also looking good. We can see platinum. You can enter gold long. I took gold long, and also if gold long is looking good, we can get the GLD options for July 19. We can get 229 calls. Gold to 29 call around 1.25. Gold to 29 call 1.25 for 719. At same time, you can make profits through futures and also through options by looking at the same chart. Already gold moved nearly $100. Mm, Gold is moving up. By tomorrow, it can go all the way, or by today afternoon, it can go all the way till 2484 at nearly $200 on one contract. It won't touch the midpoint. Even if it comes back again, it will bounce. Next time, it will go back all the way to the top. Platinum, RTY, RTY. If it comes to this area, that is the best point to enter. Yeah, we can get IWM spreads. IWM is around 223 now. Sell 224 and buy 222. So tomorrow you can collect around $100. IWM. By end of today, it should make nice profits. Not be worry. Multi-ways bullish. You know, we have RCL, WSM, ATWO. Let us go and see RCL. Yeah, RTY is moving good. Gold we went up and again there is a small drop. It will bounce back. If you have a personal account, you can hold it. Mm, mm, mm. Right, our scanner gave that Disney can bounce, but still we don't have a proper confidence. So we are waiting for Disney, mRNA. But we want to minimum go with two conferences. One is scanner should give us, so mRNA it gave a bullish signal. Disney also it came touched the zone, discount zone, started going up, but because we don't have a confluent right price pulse, if it comes to this point, then we can see that there is a big buy order here. We can confidently take, but as of here, there is nothing giving confidence for us, so we are not buying any calls or not selling any puts. If price comes to this point, we can definitely go long on Disney. Same thing, mRNA. Also, we got the buy call. If mRNA also same reason. If mRNA comes to somewhere here, 119.25, that is a good zone to go long. As of now, still it is looking bearish. So we are holding RTY, IWM calls, and also gold long. They should move into profits in some time. So this is one view where you can see if it is red, that means they are bearish. If it is green, they are bullish. But if they are in the blue color, that means they are bullish and also came to the bottom. We are mainly waiting for those blue signals. Whenever we get a blue signal and if our price pulse also gives a confidence, then we can enter. Again, if you want to quickly take the profits, right? For example, gold gave nearly $200 profit. If you want to scalp and take quick profits, then you can take 100, $150 when you enter. Otherwise, you want to get more profit. For example, RTY, it went to 5, 6 points up, but we are holding for more profits. So, right, especially with options, you want to wait for minimum 1 day because if you take on the same day, you may make 10%, 15%. But if you give more time, you will make minimum 40 to 50% on your bull put spreads or on credit spreads, debit spreads. So that's why we are holding those IWM calls. Natural gas actually dropped much more. We should have, yeah, last night we shorted. We should have held it for some more time. If we get a green candle on this AA, then we can buy calls or we can sell puts. I think we have earnings tomorrow. I think for AA. Yeah, this is a good company, fundamentally strong company, and there is a high possibility for earning speed. I think today after hours we have earnings. So if it touches the support and starts bouncing, we can. It already did a double bottom. This morning it came here, went all the way till 38.7. Again came to the bottom. Again trying to bounce. If it is doing a triple bottom, it may go all the way to 38.60 one more time. So if you want to take low risk, you can sell the puts, and by before end of the day, you can take 80% profits and keep 20% for earnings. Your previous day low is acting as a support. So yesterday this was the low. It went all the way to the top and again touched the, because right, as I said, previous day low, previous week low, previous month low, they are strong support. Price came touch that and trying to go up. So most probably mRNA can start going up now. Minimum 123. So you can take rate spreads for the next Friday. mRNA sell 123, buy 121. Actually, for next week, you can, for July 26th, sell 123 and buy 120. It's going good. So we sold 123 put and buying 120 put for 726. So if it goes to 123, 124 today or tomorrow, you will make nearly 30-40% profit on the premium which you collected. But again, you can see mRNA bullish. So it is telling this is the discount price between $120 to 121.6. If you find in that range, that is the best price to get it. Mara also we got it. AA also we got it. Disney. Let us go and look at Mara. We still need to get a 1 million buy order here, but still breaking. It comes to this 24.20. This is the previous day low. Most probably price may start reversing. If we get a green candle, we can again enter Mara calls or Mara put spread. So our step one is you enable the scanner and you identify the opportunities like mRNA, MARA, AA, Disney. These are the four bullish opportunities. Whenever you see the opportunity, then you basically go and check whether that stock you have any other confidence. Right? We got a previous day low confidence. Then you can also see it is creating fair value gaps, which is another good indication. Your 1 minute turned to green, 5 minutes is getting close to 50, 1, 3. So that's why it is not, if all these are green or if you have a huge buy order block, we can directly buy the calls because it is slightly bullish. So instead of buying calls, we got the credit spread because in credit spread, even if it goes slow, also you'll make money. For calls, it should be very quick for you to make a move. So if you see a big buy order block here, like a 100K orders or 25K orders, then we can also buy the calls instead of doing a credit spread. What was the other one? mRNA, MARA, A. Let us look at A. Yeah. A did a double bottom. There is a huge buy order block. Today we have earnings. It is a strong, fundamentally very strong company. So there is a high possibility for stock to go up minimum until this 38.2 or 38.6. This is target 1, this is target 2. And it also created a fair value gap. It means let us wait for minimum 1 minute to turn to green and then you can yeah, you can sell 38 put and around collect to 95 cents for today for this Friday. We can take this one. Sell a 38 put. $97 per contract. Navy is moving quickly. It created the fair value gap and so it did a double bottom. And then there was a small pullback and it was going up. Now, let's look at mRNA. mRNA is also going up. RTY is little choppy as of now. Gold and RTY are choppy, but they should move, both should move good by end of the day. They both are very bullish. Good and Q. Q finally touched the support and trying to bounce back. There is a buy order block. Minimum pay 2160. Enable the chat. If anyone have any questions, you can post in the chat window. You cannot change the names. You have to only use the same indicator. Yeah, you can use the You can use any indicator in any time frame. You can use it on 30 minutes, 1 hour, right? If you want to do swing trades, you can do on 30 minutes or 1 hour. If you want to do day trades, you have to do on 5 minutes. Yeah, because I am the script creator, I can make some changes and I can, yeah, I can create multiple indicators. If you want to hold for few weeks, you can always use daily time frame. And in daily, if you get it to the bottom, then you can buy. How new swing indicators? What do you mean by new swing indicator? Jacob, I think you already have the swing indicator. Are you talking about the scanner or swing indicator? So A is going up, mRNA is going up, right? They should make profits. Gold and RTY should make profits, right? We are not taking because many members were not able to quickly enter and exit. We are mainly taking swing trades or minimum where you can hold for few hours or 1 day. So we are looking at higher time frames and you'll make profits in gold. You will make profits in IWM calls with mRNA with AA. Right. I hope everyone got understood the concept. So we have a scanner which will tell us when to enter, when to exit, which tickers are good to go long, which tickers are good to go short. Right. So this is our initial indicator where we had all multiple columns. It will show what is the symbol, what is the current mass. CMP stands for current market price. Direction means is it bullish or bearish. Then what is the premium zone? That means for when you want to sell something, you have to sell in the premium zone. Right? This is the premium zone. This is the discount zone. When you want to buy something, you have to buy low, buy at a cheaper price. Right? If you want to buy a house, you will try to find a good deal, good discount. If you want to sell a house, you want to sell at a higher price. In the same way, when you want to short something, you want to sell at a higher price. When you want to buy something, you want to buy at the discount price. So this is your discount zone, this is your premium zone. So for example, mRNA is a bullish ticker. That means there is a high possibility for mRNA to go up. So you have to try to buy it in the discount zone between this price 121.4 to 121.6. That is a good price to buy. For A, this 38.02 to 37.89. Between that price, if you buy, you have more chances to make success. Right? So these are the tickers which are bullish, but they are not in the discount zone. So only when you see something in the blue color, that means they are the tickers where they are bullish and also the price is in a discount price. In the same way, when you see either black color or violet color, right? In different indicators, I use different colors, but generally either black or violet color, then basically that means that is a bearish ticker and price is at somewhere at the top. At that point of time, you have to short it or buy the puts for such type of tickers. So, for example, here Bitcoin is in the blue color. That means it is a bullish ticker and also it is at a discount zone, at a discounted price. So now you can go and see. Right. So the scanner gave the correct indication, right? The price went all the way to the top. It came all the way down, right? We know that Bitcoin was going up, right? Since the last 2, 3 days, nearly from 55,000, it went to 65,600. Now there is a pullback. It came all the way to the bottom. So it is telling that okay, Bitcoin is in a bullish trend and there is a pullback and it came to a discount price, discount area. Do you want to buy it? So if you want to directly buy, you can do, or you can always check with one more way, right? We have top trend, you have price pulse, you have swing indicator. For example, price pulse, right? It is telling that there is a 560 contracts. That means market makers are buying some huge number of, right? We may buy only one contract, two contracts, five contracts, but market makers will buy in hundreds or thousands of contracts for futures. So we can see that there is a buy order block here. That means market makers are also buying. So our scanner gave a buy indication, and also you can see that market makers are also buying. So whenever you see the price touching this, and then if it starts going up, you can go long on the Bitcoin, or you can buy a Bitcoin, right? For example, if it moves from 64,800 to 65,600, you will make $500-600 within next 1 hour. If you see price coming here and starts going up, or right, you can do micros for your prop firms. So even if it goes from here to here, that is nearly 70-80 dollars with each micro. Right? So that is the process where you will use the scanner first to identify what are your bullish and bearish tickers. Right now, RTY is a bullish ticker. It is telling that RTY is at a discounted price. Do you want to buy it? We already got it. We are holding it, but it went up and again came down. So again, it is at a discount price. So it is giving an indication that RTY is at a discounted price. Do you want to buy it? Bitcoin is at a discounted price. Do you want to buy it? This 6N is at a discounted price. Do you want to buy it? So whenever, so this is our first thing because you have hundred, right? Thousands of stocks, hundreds of futures. You don't know which one to buy, which one to sell. This will filter out. Now you know that, okay, out of this 40, 50 tickers, I know these are the three best ones for bullish. If you see anything in black or violet, those are the good ones for bearish. So now you can go and look at Bitcoin or RTY, and then you can take a decision, or right, either you use price pulse, you can use top trend. Right, for example, I can add top trend now. So top trend also shows that there is a strong support zone here. Right. Only thing is your background is still red. Now the resistance also got broken. All right, that support is, so if price starts moving up from here, then you can go long. Right. Otherwise, if price drops all the way till here, then whenever price goes, then you can take a long. So as of now, it is right. Buyers are trying to take it up, sellers are trying to bring it down. So your support is right, trying to disappear and again appear because buyers are again trying to take it up. So until once you get a, for example, now the background changes to green and you see a green candle, right? Our GGG rule, green, green, green rule. Your background appears green and your ultimate D, you get a buy signal in the background term, then you can confidently enter the long position. Like that, either you use price pulse or you use top trend. The scanner will help you to identify which ones are best to enter. Right, let us take the example of mRNA. Right, it came all the way to the bottom of the channel. You got a buy signal. There is a strong support here. Your ultimate D gave a buy signal. It went all the way to the top. Nearly it moved $1 up. So minimum it can go till 122. All right, even if it touch that, still we can make some good profits with mRNA. If it breaks that and goes all the way to the top, you can make a lot more profits. Even if it goes and touch here 122 also, will make good profit. So like that, this is your It will, right, out of thousands of stocks, you don't know which one to take. This is helping you by reducing that to, right, out of this 40 tickers, right? The Mara is a good one, mRNA is a good one, Disney is at a good price. You can directly depend on the scanner and take it, or you use either top trend or swing indicator or price pulse indicator and just do one more confirmation. Okay, this scanner is telling me this is good, but is it really good? Right? Is if you want to buy a house, you will check with multiple friends, right? Is that location good or the school's good? Right? If multiple friends tell that it is good, you will go and buy a house at that place. In the same way, you can just depend on one indicator and take it, or you can check it with price pulse or top trend. And if they also give a similar signal, top trend, we always try to buy at the bottom. So you got a buy signal at the bottom. Your ultimate D, you have a this support, you have a buy order block, you have multiple things which are helping you to take a decision with mRNA. In the same way, Disney, yet it came to the bottom, but there is no strong support, right? If support also is here, it would have given more confidence for us. There is no buy from the ultimate D. You don't see the triangle, right? So that's why we can wait for some more time on Disney. In the same way, Mara, right? You got a buy immediately, right? Again, there is no triangle, there is no support. So that means it can go further down. It may touch this one and then bounce back. So you have some more time to go long on Mara like that. So when your scanner gives something, you can always use that as the starting point, and then you can use one of our existing indicators, and you can, for example, EMD, it gave in the blue color. Let us go and check for EMD. Still, we don't have a proper confidence. Price should be here, or price should be somewhere here. You should have a triangle, not the inverted triangle. So scanner gave a buy. Scanner is telling that, oh, it went so much down, so it can reverse. But if we see top trend or price pulse, you may not get the confidence that it may immediately start reversing. So you will wait for it to come touch this, and if you see a green candle, then you can go long. Right, let us go and price pulse. You see that it is coming down. There is a buy order block, but only just 93 orders. So there is a possibility it may touch here, or if it comes here, there are 179 contracts, 96 contracts. So we can wait on EMD. Like that, whenever you see a signal, we can look at the confluence. And if you get the confluence, you can enter. This is telling ADI. We have a blue indication for ADI. Let us go and check ADI. First thing, let us check with our scanner. Need to come for some more. It came to the bottom for top trend, but as of now, you don't have any buy signal. Right? If we get a buy signal and your background turns to green, then there is a good one to go long. You can buy calls, you can sell the puts. But minimum, you know that out of this 40 plus tickers, right? It is telling that ADI has more chances to go up. Now you don't need to look at all the 40 chip stocks, right? Out of those 40 chip stocks, this ADI has more chances to move up. So now you can just wait for a buy signal on this. Whenever you get a buy signal, ADI can go all the way to the top. You can buy calls, you sell the puts, you can make profits. So that scanner will basically reduce your work to filter out of hundreds of stocks, which one to look for a long opportunity, which one to look for a short opportunity. So here it is telling MDY, BLK. Right, let us look at MDY. You have buy, sell. As of now, it is still in the sell opportunity, but there is a strong support here. You got a buy from the ultimate B, right? If we get a buy signal and if the background turns to green, then MDY can go all the way to the top. It can go from 565 to 569, right? $5 more means you will make easily 15-20% with the option calls. So just now you will wait for the buy signal. If we get a buy signal, that is a good opportunity. So, right, you can see that it went to the resistance, came all the way to the bottom, now trying to bounce back. Right, after all the red candles, you can see a big bullish engulfing candle. Right, it engulfed the entire bearish candle. That means it is a buyers are taking the control from sellers. All this time you can see all these big bearish candles. Now you have a big bullish candle. That is telling that there is a high possibility now price may, all this time it was bearish, now price can become bullish. So once the candle closes, right, you should not wait until the entire candle close. You get the next candle. If you see a big bullish candle after the candle closes, then you will enter. Right? For example, you see a big candle covering this entire bearish candle. That means that is a good opportunity to go long. Or as I said, you will always look at something like top trend and you see a buy signal and background turning to green, then you can go long. Or you see, right, there is 1.314 buy order block. That means big players are trying to buy contracts now, enter into the long position. There is a 15,000. So price comes here, that is much more better opportunity. But if price starts going up, we can enter here itself. So that's why whenever you see an opportunity, you will basically you wait for the buy signal from the top trend. If you get a buy signal from top trend and if the background turns to green, that means you got the full confirmation. Scanner gave you that it can go up, and if top trend is also telling it will go up with a buy signal, then you can make nice profits. What is the other one? Okay, ADI, IWM. Okay, we already have IWM calls. ADI, we already saw that. And yeah, Monday, BLK. So BLK, you can see that it is a overall a bullish ticker, and price came all the way to the bottom. So if you get a buy signal now on BLK, right? What you can do, you can always create a buy alert. You go here, go to top trend, and you say buy alert. So if you get a buy, you can uh, enter calls. The same way, what was the previous one? Um, what is it one there? Okay, divide. Right. It is at a strong support, but still we don't have the buy signal. So you can always go create buy signal. So whenever you receive a buy signal, you can. The first thing is this one gave an indication that Monday can go up, BLK can go up. But when we went and watched with top trend, still we don't have the confidence, right? Even though there are, right, it is at a support, there is a possibility, but still it is not giving complete conviction for us to go and enter the calls. So that's why you are waiting for buy signal from the top trend. If top trend also gives a buy signal, you can go long. Um, okay. ADI, same thing. I can go. I can create a buy signal. Whenever top trend gives, it came to the bottom, but I want green background. I want a buy signal. So you don't need to keep watching at this chart, right? We have three opportunities now. ADI can go up, MDY can go up, BLK can go up. But it will take in the 3 minutes, 2 minutes for us to buy signal. You don't need to keep watching. Just create a alert or press start. Whenever you press, you can go and take buy calls or sell the puts. Then it's telling ADI in discount area, IWM in discount area, XLY in discount area. It is giving all out of all those 40 tickers. It is telling that those tickers are in discount area. Here it is telling that GC is showing bearish, EMD in discount area, RTY in discount area, 6N is in discount area, Tesla is in discount area. So you can also go and set alerts, right? Whenever you go and set alerts to those tickers, then even though you don't enable those tables, you will be getting the alerts here. For example, here it is telling EDA. So this is telling RTY Jet C discount area. It is telling Tesla is in discount area. Let's go and watch Tesla. So you got a bicycle, you got a triangle for Tesla. It came to the bottom of the channel, and let us also go to price pulse and check it. Here there was a 1.195 million sell order. So it came all the way down. We did double bottom. This would have been much better, right? This is like a previous day low. So if price comes here, then there is high chance for price to bounce. Can go up, but yeah, any big buy order block would have given us more confidence. I can't see any buy order block here. Yeah, you can use it with ultimately. You can use with any other confluence. There is no proper confluence for Tesla. So better, right? The best thing is if price comes to this previous day low, that will be a strong support. So we can wait for some more time. If Tesla comes to this, right? I can always create a next buy order. Whenever top trend gives me a buy alert next time, I can go and check if price is somewhere here. I can take it. So like this, basically you can filter out the opportunities. The price can touch the discount zone in both the ways, right? One is it went up and down. So there is a possibility of the down, right? When it is coming from the top, but when price touches the support, and that starts again bouncing back, that is where we should be targeted. So scanner will show whenever price comes to this region, right? So when price is here, overall workday is a bullish ticker. Price went all the way to the top this morning up to $237. Now it is around $234. It gave an indication. So if price touches this and starts bouncing, that is much better opportunity. Rather than when it is dropping, there is a more potential for it to drop further. But anyway, whenever scanner gives ADI workday, so just to go to workday ticker, it came all the way, but you don't have a buy signal. Just create a buy alert. So if you get a buy alert and if your background turns to green, that is a better opportunity. Otherwise, it may go further down and touch the support. Now you have six potential opportunities. Whenever you get buy signal on these alerts, they will be good opportunities. Whenever you get a buy on Tesla or ADI or MDY, BLK, Workday, DEC. So now Disney touched this previous day low and also the big buy order block. So there is more potential for Disney to go up now. Right? Earlier we did not enter, but now it can. So for coming 726, Disney 6, 8, and yeah, for July 26th, you can sell 98 put and buy 96 put. So that you can collect around $105 per contract. Yep, I think we took trades today. So this issues. So Disney is moving up. Uh, right. DSFS is not a right. It is like a scanner which will help you to filter out of 40, 50 pickers. It will tell you these two are best for long, these two are best for short, like that. And then you use top trend or swing or price pulse, any other indicator. You can use, for example, top trend. If top trend gives buy when scanner is giving a blue signal, then that is the best opportunity. Right. For example, if I go here, you got a buy signal on top trend, right? Disney gave scanner gave the buy signal or long, told that it is good for long, and also top trend gave a buy signal. You got ultimately buy signal. So you got confluence from multiple algos. So there is a high possibility for this one to go Disney to go minimum until 97.2. So there is more chance of success because multiple indicators give you the similar. That's what. So right, the first one will reduce. Now Nike. So it is telling mRNA, Mara, Disney, Nike. Out of we already saw mRNA, we took the opportunity. Disney, we took the opportunity. Now let us look at Nike. The first thing is you will see whether within the scanner, is it at the proper support or not? So it is still dropping, right? It is still coming. So it may come all the way down and then, so now you can go and check in top trend. It is still dropping. So you can just go and create a buy alert. So whenever you get the buy alert, let us say you get a buy alert somewhere here or somewhere here, and the background turns green, or suddenly the background turns green. Based on whenever you get the buy alert, you can take a decision whether to take a trade or not. Or you can also, whenever you get the buy signal, you enable the price pulse. For example, you get buy signal here, that is very good opportunity. Or you get buy signal here, that is much better opportunity. Nearly 165,000 buy orders. If you get a buy signal here, not very good opportunity because you have all resistance, right? All these red fair value gaps will act as resistance. So it may go a little bit up and again come back. Not a great opportunity. So your scanner is, right? It is not like telling you what to, you just don't go with. If scanner shows blue, immediately you don't jump in, right? You can jump in, but you are right. You may win only 60% or 65% of the trades, 35% of the trades may, or you may see a drawdown and then again they may come back up, right? You may have to wait for more time. But when you combine this with either price pulse and you see buy indicators or big sell indicators, or you see top trend buy signals, then that is where you have more success. Right? I hope, right? Yesterday, so right, each day I am trying to extend more logic so that, right, for example, if I try to read sentences on day one, you will not understand. On day one, you will learn alphabets. On day two, you will learn words. On day three, you will learn the sentences. So on first day, I explained you what is the scanner, how to use the scanners, right? What is discount zone? What is the equilibrium zone? What is the premium zone? Then on day two, you saw that whenever you receive an alert, how to combine your scanner along with the price pulse. Today, you saw how to combine this one with the top trend. So when scanner gives a result, gives a blue signal or black signal, you don't immediately jump in. You just go and check whether top trend also giving a similar signal. If both give a similar signal, then you have much higher chance of success. Otherwise, you may have to wait for some time. Sometimes it may go further down. Right? Your risk is minimal because it is alerting when the price already came so much down. But sometimes when, right, for example, days like today where there is a lot of bearish pressure, price is going down more than, right, more than the standard deviation. Generally on every day, if it goes down, right, somewhere, for example, 20%, today it is going down up to 25%. So you have to wait for 5 more% extra time. If it is a normal day, then yeah, even if you just use the scanner might give the exact entries. But today, because there is more bearish pressure, there is more down in the stocks, and we may have to wait for more time. That's why you are not just going with the scanner, you are using scanner along with either price pulse or top trend. So you will have a better success rate. Bitcoin came all the way down, started going up. Yeah, if you don't have the similar signal, wait. Only when both the indicators are giving bullish or if both are giving bearish, then take that. If one indicator is telling bullish, one is telling bearish, then better you ignore that signal. You don't see blue signal and black signal on top trend. You will see that on your right. Already you have access to this DSFS. You can change ticker, right? Whatever tickers you want, you can change there. If you want stocks, you can add stocks. If you want options, you can add options. Whatever tickers you want to change, you can go here. You can change whichever symbols you want. Right? If you're a stocks trader, you can change all the stock symbols. If you trade Tesla, Nvidia, those things, you can take those ones. If you're a options trader, you can use options. If you're a forex trader, you can use forex symbols. And then whenever this table will show blue color or black color. Blue color means it is good for a long. Black means it is good for a short. Black means it is a bearish ticker and price is at the top. Blue color means it is a bullish ticker, price is at the bottom. Once the scanner gives that, the second step you will do is either you go to price pulse. For example, it is telling that price will go up. And you in the price pulse, you also see there is a huge buy order block or there is a huge buy order block. Then you know that okay, it's not only me, there are a lot of people who are buying at this price, right? There are a lot of market makers who are buying thousands of contracts, 20,000 contracts, 30,000 contracts for Nike at this price. Then you will get confidence, you can go long, right? That is one way, right? You use the scanner results along with the price pulse results. If price pulse is also giving you confidence, price whenever scanner tells that okay, go long, and price pulse also got a big buy order block, you can take the trade and you can make profits. Or the other way is when scanner gives a buy signal or blue color, but your top trend is in the sell, then just go and create an alert. You say that I want to, whenever Nike gives a buy signal, because the first indicator gave me a buy signal, or it is telling me price will go up. But as of now, the top trend is still showing prices in a sell signal. So whenever this also gives me a buy signal, that means both are in the confluence at that point of time. Then tell me, then it may come all the way down, and then you may get a buy signal. That is the best time to do it. So you're using instead of depending on just one terminal, just taking help of two or three. And if all the two or three are giving similar signals, you have success. So, but there's the Bitcoin name of Bitcoin was the same. So now if I right, first thing is our scanner gave a MBTS. Then your doctor gave a buy signal. Your price pulse did not have any buy, but have a fair value gap, green fair value gap. You can go here If you have fair value gap here, you can enable it here. So if you get a green fair value gap, then price will go up. Red fair value gaps, price will go down generally. So this time price was going down, was creating red fair value gaps. Now created a green fair value gap. That means 10% for Bitcoin go up. So nearly from 64,000, it went to 64,500. And if we, so yeah, red fair value gap will act as resistance. Again, it may touch this one and again bounce back. Green fair value gap will act as a support. So it will come there and again bounce. Again, it may go to this point. Again, it's not proper. It bounce over this. Again, there's small property to this one. So the small gap. This is like the smallest. That's 6 months. And finally, it will go to the top, to the previous day high again. So that's how you basically use the indicators, right? We still mRNA, MARA, it again, because we are mainly focusing on swing trades, will take some time, but all those will make nice profits. mRNA and whatever trades we took, Disney. Uh, yeah, we took multiple trades, 90%, right? Whatever we took yesterday, nearly everything made profits today. Whatever I took today, 80 to 90% of them will make tomorrow. So Dell, Gold, IWM, mRNA, AA, Disney. So yeah, if there are any other opportunities, I'll post in the options group. If there are any futures opportunities, I'll post in the crypto group. But I hope you all got the logic, how to use the scanners and how to use the confluence with either top trend or price pulse. Right? The scanner will help you to filter out of 30, 40 tickers. Now you have only two tickers to watch. You don't need to worry about everything else. Or out of 40 stocks, you know that these are the mRNA and MARA. These are the two best opportunities. You don't need to keep watching all the other tickers because either they are still going down, they are still going up, they are somewhere in the middle. They are not either in the bottom, they are not at the top, right? If you take somewhere in the middle, they can either go up or they can go down. You have higher risk, right? For example, let us take this example, right? If you buy Bitcoin here, your stop loss can be somewhere here, right? Little bit $100 down. Let us say you are shorting Bitcoin here, your stop loss can be somewhere here. But if you are buying here, right, somewhere in the middle, your stop loss, right, your loss can be so huge, right? You don't know whether you have to stop somewhere here or here or here. Here you have 80% chance stock will go up. Here you have 80% chance stock will go down. So you can have stop loss $100, $200 above this price, or you have stop loss when you want to go long, you have 100, $200 below this price. But when we take a trade somewhere in between, you don't know where it can go. Right? That's why avoid trades in between. Your scanner will help you to whenever price comes somewhere here to this zone, scanner will tell, or when price comes somewhere here, scanner will tell. Avoid everything because all the others are somewhere in between, right? Only this mRNA, MARA are either at the bottom, right? Because if they are blue, that means they are at the bottom. If they are black, that means they are a bearish tickers, they are at the top. So now your risk is limited because you are buying something at the bottom or you are selling something at the top. Even if it goes up, there is a low risk. Either your stop loss will be small, or even if it goes little bit up, again it can drop. Right? If you do somewhere in the middle, you don't know, it can go up or come down. Anything can happen. Right? So that is the advantage with scanner, which will give you opportunities, limited opportunities. So instead of focusing on 30, 40 tickers, now you have only one ticker or two tickers to focus. So yeah, here you have only mRNA and MARA. Or because I have 40 tickers, sometimes you get calculation errors because it will do a lot of calculations before showing an opportunity. So here there is nothing in blue or black. If you get a calculation error, you have to close it, add it back. Yeah, as of now, there is nothing here, which is either blue or black color. That means either they are somewhere in between. So you don't need to worry about all these 40 tickers. So only something is blue or black, you will focus on them. Then either you will have a small stop loss, or if they go as expected, you will make a huge profit, right? Your risk will be only some $200, $150, but if it goes as expected, you may make $500, $600, much more than that. So that's what, right? The scanner, right? For gold, we did not look at the confluence, we just entered. But yeah, again, overall, they are right. RTY gold, they are overall in a bullish trend. They should make nice profits because Apex is still not working. Yeah, I took on a personal account. It should make profits by end of the day. But yeah, that's what, whenever you see these one, right? Avoid everything else. Only look at blue color or black color, and then once you see that, either use top trend for your confluence or use price pulse as your confluence. And if you get the confluence, then you have more chance of success. If you are just looking at only one indicator and taking the trades, you have more risk. But if you are looking at multiple confluence and if you are entering, then there is a high possibility. It is at a previous day low. It went up, it did a double bottom, did a retest, and this time it may go all the way up. Minimum, yeah, your risk will be minimal when you see the confluence. What do you mean by new trade weight account? Did you take a So if you are taking a personal trader weight account, right? With If you are taking Apex trader weight account, Apex will give you free integration between TradingView and Ninja Trader, or TradingView and Trader weight. But if you are taking a personal account, then you need to get that 9.99 plan per month for the TradingView to Trader weight integration. Then only you can directly take the trades on TradingView. Right? If you're doing with the prop firms, then that is already included. You don't need to pay anything extra. But when you're doing on personal accounts, you have to pay that extra. So if you don't have that integration, the trades will get rejected. Or second thing, yeah, credit spreads. I already shared the videos multiple times. You can go to Right Choice Advisors and search on credit spread YouTube channel. You can search on credit spreads. Basically, credit spread. If you buy calls, suddenly if price don't move up because of the theta decay and implied volatility, your premiums will go down. If you buy puts, also it is the same thing, right? Immediately that action, that direction should take place. If price stays choppy or so credit spreads will help you to reduce that risk. You are acting as a buyer, you are acting as a seller. So even price doesn't move, also you will make profits. If price goes up, you will make profit. So there are more ways you can make money when you use credit spreads. That's why when market there is no proper direction or there is a up and down direction, then it is better rather than if there is a proper direction either upside or downside, we can buy calls or we can buy puts. When it is going up and down, right, every day they are taking it up, they are taking it down, especially last 4 5 days. So in that time, it is better to take trade spreads for a low risk opportunities. So yeah, trade spreads will help you even right, even though your yeah price doesn't move or if there is choppiness in the market, there is up and down in the market, you can make profits using credit spreads. So when to book the profits? Again, based on, right, for example, you see a huge buy order block, right? Let us see, you see somewhere like this 194, 192,000, 336,000. That means there are a lot of buyers in the market. Price can go minimum all the way to the midpoint, or price can go touch the resistance. So 60 70% of your profits you can take when price goes here. Remaining 20 30% you can keep as your free runners, and if your price goes up you can take the remaining 20 30% here, or if price starts dropping you will close the remaining, right? Or you see something like, let us take some example like the BLK gave a buy alert. That means your top trend. So you got a buy signal, background turn to green, you got a low triangle. So BLK 1 minute is green, 5 minutes is green, 3 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, except 15 also is close to 50. Your 135 are green. So right, you remember that we got a BLK was one of the tickers which our scanner gave, telling that BLK can go up. It's shown in the blue signal. But because we don't have a buy signal in top trend, we created a alert here, right, around 12:22. Right after maybe 40 minutes or something, we got a buy alert on workday, buy alert on BLK, right? 840 dollars now. Yeah, 840.44. Now it is nearly $841 0.52, nearly $1 move up. So whenever you receive the alert, you can go and buy the calls, you can go and sell the puts, you can do a credit spread, you can write. For example, in this scenario, you can sell 845 put, you can buy 840 put. So if price goes to 845, you will make 30-40% profits. If price stays in between also, you'll make profit. Only if price goes below 840, that is where you have a risk. But you have a big buy order here. So even if price comes here, again, there is a possibility for price to go bounce. So that's how, if you buy the calls immediately, if it moves up, you will make huge profits. But if it stays choppy, if it again comes down, if it does lot of up and downs, that is where you will lose your premiums because of the theta decay and implied volatility. So that's why when you buy a credit spread, if it comes down also little bit, right? It should not come so much down, but if it comes little bit also, you'll be in profits. If it stays here also, you'll make profits. If it goes up also, you will make huge profits. So you have more chances, right? If you buy calls, only if it goes up quickly, you will make profits. If it goes down and only on the last Friday, last expiry, if it goes up also, you may not make because already you lost a lot of time. So that's how, right? That's why the credit spreads will help you. But yeah, you saw the entire cycle where the scanner will give you when price comes to the bottom for bullish or when price goes to the top for bearish. So your step one is done. Okay, out of all these hundreds of tickers, my BLK, MDY, ADI, Tesla, Workday, DEC, Nike. These are my best opportunities today. So now I went ahead and created buy signal in the top trend. Now I got buy for BLK. I got a buy for Workday. Like that, I got buy signals. Whenever you get a buy signal, you can buy the calls or sell the puts or do the credit spreads. If you want to take low risk, credit spreads is the best option. If you right, your returns also will be medium. Your risk also will be medium. Low risk, low return. Right? If you buy calls and if stock suddenly starts moving up without any break, then you will make nice profits with calls. So yeah, that's what we do. Right? Instead of just using only scanner or just using only top trend or just using only price pulse, when you combine the scan results with either price pulse or top trend, you have much higher chance of success. 85 to 90% of the trades will make profits. And because you are buying at the bottom or selling at the top, your risk level will be low. Right? You will just put $200 above that as your stop loss or $200 below that as the stop loss. And after getting a buy signal, generally it will start going up because you are buying somewhere at the bottom, right? You are already buying at a cheaper price. What is the chance of it going further down, right? Already there are a lot of buyers waiting here to buy at a cheaper price, right? Even if it goes little bit down, your stop loss is somewhere here. So even if you are buying here or buying here, if your stop loss is here, even if price comes down also, again you have buyers and again it will bounce back, right? If you buy somewhere here, you don't know whether price will go down or price will go up, right? If you are selling here, you are selling at the top. Even if it goes a little bit up, you have a big resistance here. There are a lot of sellers who want to, right? Big players who want to sell at a high. There are a lot of big players who want to buy at a low, right? You want to follow them and buy like them, right? General retail traders will buy at here and sell at here, right? When everybody buys Tesla, when it goes to 60 to 70, then they feel like somebody will tell, oh, I made this much money with Tesla. Then they will buy at a high price where the market makers will start dumping. Or they will wait. They will get panic. If it goes all the way to the bottom, then they will sell with a big loss. Immediately, once they sell it, again price will start going up. Right? That's what you need to follow the market makers. You need to Buy at the bottom, sell at the top. That's what our scanner will help you to identify. Okay, GS is at a bottom, deck is at a bottom, right? Adobe is at a top. So it will give you out of this 40 tickers, it is reducing your work. So let us go to GS. So it is telling that, right? Goldman Sachs is at a good price to buy, right? You can see that price pulse, market makers nearly 14,000 buy orders here, right? That means you are following the market makers, right? When you are following them, your risk is minimal, right? If price comes here, right, if you buy here, your stop loss can be somewhere below the EMA2 because your EMA 200 will always act as a support. Even if price comes touch this, again it can bounce. Your stop loss can be somewhere here. So if it starts going up, you will make nice profits. But because of some reason, even if it comes down, you have a small loss, small risk. Right? So your price pulse is telling that price can go up. Your top trend, right? Based on your top trend, what is the rule? Buy at the bottom for bullish tickers. You know, by looking at the channel direction, it is a bullish ticker, right? The channel is pointing towards the upside. You got an opportunity at the bottom. Right, earlier you had to manually go to each one and see when whenever you get a buy signal, you have to go and see, okay, is it at the bottom, is it at the middle, is it at the top? But now the scanner is doing the job for you. It is telling that oh, GS is at the bottom, right? This is a good price to buy. So if you are doing a credit spread, even if price doesn't go up, even if it goes till here and starts bouncing up, you have high chance of success, right? It is a bullish ticker. 70-80% it will go all the way up. But even the 10-20%, if it stays here all, or even if it goes little bit down, also you will make profits now, right? Let us say you sell 505 puts, you buy 500 put. That means your risk is limited, right? If you are not just selling the 505 put, you are selling 505 put, you are also buying 500 put. So if it goes up, all the premium collected is completely yours. If it stays here, all the premium collected is yours. If it goes little bit down, also single premium is yours. Only if it goes further towards that is very good. Like for example, because of that means like as we sell but we market is suddenly and we don't think like this was a then immediately market so 20 came down, right? Then we dropped the so yeah, GS now, right? You can sell 5 you will collect premiums. If stock goes like 2 5 5 5 then on credit card it's some premiums. You can do lot profits. It's like cut money and then you buy back at a lower price or if you wait with patience, all the credit collected will be completely yours. So now you can also do GS 505 credit spreads. For July 26th, you can sell 505 and buy 495. You collect nearly $450. Um, yeah. So it should make nice profits by end of tomorrow, right? It won't be quick, right? If there are calls or puts, immediately you'll start making money. But when you're doing credit spreads, they will take, right? Your if it stays choppy or if it stays up and down, that is where you will make more profits. So you have to wait with patience when especially you don't get spreads. It takes essentially close to the state of the uh, uh, But yeah, because we already had a lot of open positions, we took the profits on SMCI bear calls per yesterday. But yeah, this one will go up all the way to 505, 509 in 1 or 2 days. Yeah, that's it, everyone. So if you follow, yeah, there are no constraint with PA account. You don't need to take any trades. You can yeah, even 1 month, 2 months. Also, you don't take any trades. That will be fine. Yeah, Apex still got issues with the trade of it accounts. That's why those trades are not happening. That's why I did not take any trades today. Um, Only that GC I took in the personal account. 3 minute, yeah, you can use 3 minute time frame for the screener. TY, I think we entered somewhere around 2270. It went up, but we did not book the profits because we are waiting for 2300 plus. Right? So I hope you saw the entire cycle. Right. Step one, scanner will help you to identify which tickers. Step two, you can either use price pulse and see if there is a big buy order block or sell order block. If you also, whenever it gives a buy and you see a buy order block, that is good opportunity. Right now, it is also telling into C and yeah. So, but yeah, right. Again, the objective is for you to become independent, right? Because tomorrow I'll be away, or yeah, tomorrow I may do it for some time, but on Friday I'll be away. So if you learn the concepts, you don't need to depend on anyone. You can do by yourself because most right your futures forex they'll be available for nearly 23 hours a day. Right, I cannot be online 23 hours a day, or you may be busy when I am available. And so when you understand, learn the concepts, understand the strategy, you can do trades by yourself. So yeah, again, all those which we took, MBT is again moving up. Again, if Bitcoin is moving up, all this coin, Mara, Riot, right, all these are shown in the blue color. VITF, SDG, CAN, related tickers. So tickers give the buy signal for all these ones. And also this, so it should report good earnings. So by end of today, the put sold should make profits, but you can keep 10-20% for earnings and remaining you can close around 3 o'clock, 2:59 Central. Yeah, mRNA, everything will go up, right? Just you need to have patience, right? Because you are buying at the bottom or selling at the top, your risk is low, right? It may not immediately go up sometimes. Sometimes it may go a little bit down, but you are not buying somewhere in between, right? So that's why, especially if you do credit spreads at the bottom or at the top, you have much higher chance of success. Because market there is no proper direction. If market is in proper trend, either bullish or bearish, then we can again continue to take only calls or puts. When market is just moving up and down, in the mornings they are taking it down and then up again down. So that's why we can take advantage of credit spreads. You just go to, yeah, we can roll over MU and FSLR for next week. I'll let you know tomorrow. But yeah, you can go to tradeaway.com and you can open a personal account. Yeah, I answered all the questions in the chat. So yeah, all right. I'll give the signals in the US equity channel whenever I close the trades, whichever you open today. But yeah, everything or minimum 85 to 90% of them should make profits tomorrow morning. Right. First at 15-20 minutes, we'll take profits on the existing signals, and then we'll take new trades later. Yes, if you have a buy order block or sell order block, that is the key, right? That will give you much more confidence, right? Basically, whenever there is a demand, price will go up. Whenever there is a supply, price will go down. So if you have a sell order block, that means, right, let us think you have 100 stocks in a box. If 200 people are trying to buy all those 100 stocks, that there will be more demand, price will go up. If everybody want to sell out their stocks, then price will go down. So that's what your sell order block is, will increase the supply. Your buy order block will increase the demand. So whenever the scanner is giving a blue signal and you see a buy order block, that is a good opportunity. So yeah, right. mRNA, EAA, everything will make nice profits. So just wait for the exit signals, or you have if you have the tools in your machine, you can take exits. And whenever I exit, I'll let you know. Yeah, thanks everyone. Talk to you tomorrow morning or yeah, tonight. If I see good volume, I can take some trades in the evening. Otherwise, tomorrow morning, we can talk.